Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today I have a Stitch Fix to unbox. I will have all the information, somebody's calling me. I will have all the information about Stitch Fix down in the description box, but it's a styling service where you give them all your information, sizes, things you might be going to, styles, those kinds of things, and they will send you a curated box based on those things. I'll also have a link that if you use my link for your first time, you get $25 off your first box. I'll get $25 off my next box. There's always postage paid both ways. Anything you don't want, you put in the envelope, stick it on your front porch, tell the mailman you come get it. Easy as that. Always get a note from your stylist. There is a $25 or a $20 styling fee that will go towards anything that you keep, and then if it's your first time, the $25 off. So to try it is pretty risk-free. This is a little bitty box. Let's see what we have. I see pretty light blue, gray stripes, and what feels like possibly pants. No denim. Hold on. Okay. You always get a note from your stylist. My stylist is Mel. I have had Mel before. Fix number 89. Okay, let's see what we have here. This is the Jessica Peplum knit top. Oh, okay. Okay, this looks pretty cute, actually. Look at that. It's got this gathering to make it a peplum, and it's kind of a really light, super soft sweater kind of material, but it's very light. There's the back. So we'll see how that goes. And then next is another Kaylee Vanna surplice top. Okay, this is cute too, and I like this color. I like this very kind of dusty blue. It's got the V-neck, and then we'll see about that. That looks pretty cute. This is the Market & Spruce Layla split neck tassel pullover. UPS, bring them in another box. Okay. Oh, this is cute. It's not, I don't know that it's exactly my style, but we'll see. It too is like a light sweater material. Got the tassel ties. Detail at the bottom as well as at the sleeves. Then this is the Mason & Bell Tempesta lace detail 3/4 sleeve top. This is cute. It's got this kind of embroidery, and then it's got the lace detail. It's got that in the back. It's pretty cute. Kind of boho. And then finally the black Fia cuff trousers, which are they're not cuffed, I made that up. Boot cut. I have several pairs of Fia. I don't have any boot cut. I don't have any black. And these might be high-waisted, which most of my boot cut trousers, it doesn't say high-waisted, but they look more high-waisted than most of my. I don't want to get too ahead of myself and too excited, but these look really promising. So let's go try these on and see what we think. I'll be right back. We'll start with this Kaylee Jessica Peplum knit top and taupe, size medium, $44. I had high hopes for this top. I thought I was really gonna like it, but it hits me weird. My waist is here, and this feels uncomfortable right here. I also kind of feel like this might be a little bit too small for me. Maybe that it's not pulling. And maybe it's not pulling in the right spot because it's not hitting me at the right spot, but I don't love it like I was hoping I would. I just like this color. There's a lot you can do with it, a lot you can wear with it. I do like the tribal Fia bootcut trouser black size 6, $58. I do like these a lot. I feel like they might be just a little bit too big on me, but I'm not sure I could wear a 4, which I really do like the high rise, and not tribal's usually a little bit below my belly button, and this hits right at my belly button, which I do like because it kind of tucks in all the muffin stuff, you know. But what do y'all think? I just see a lot of excess, and I don't know that, I don't know. I will be back with, I'll keep these on and I'll come back with another top, so be right back. This is the Kaylee Vanna Surplice top, green, size medium, $40. I love the color. I don't know if it's super flattering. We are going on a trip next week to California, and I think it's going to be pretty warm in California. It's really cold here today and gloomy, but I think it's going to be really pretty next week. This would be a really pretty color for Palm Springs. And here it is. It has the elastic across the front, and then the wrap, the faux wrap front. I love the color. I like the sleeves. Let me know what you think. It's a good price. I will be back with the next top. And finally, the Market & Spruce Layla split neck tassel pullover navy size medium, $64. I actually like this more than I thought I was gonna like it. I think it's pretty cute. I was not expecting it to be the most expensive thing in the box. That kind of surprises me. I think it's cute. Ooh. And I have, these are some navy leggings I got in a Trenson box a while back, which I think it looks really cute with. I like the kind of nautical. I think this would be cute to wear next week to Palm Springs, so I don't know, I think it's cute. There's the back. Was not expecting that. I might be keeping this. Be cute with jeans too, but I like it with the leggings. Very cute, I think. What do y'all think? Let me do a really quick wrap up. One thing I didn't mention, but it will be down in the description, is that if you buy everything in the box, you get 25% off. And so that of course is not happening in this case, but let me tell you, the Stylist Pick subtotal is $254. Buy all discount of 25% is $63.50, which would take the order subtotal down to $190.50. That's a pretty good price for everything in this box. I am going to lean towards this, or I am leaning towards this. I'll see, I'll watch it back. And then I think I may see if I can switch the Fias from a 6 to a 4 and see if I like that better. But that is it for this Stitch Fix. I will see you next time. Thanks y'all. Bye-bye.